Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to uninstall system apps or bloatware on your Android phone without root and without using a PC. We will divide this video into 6 main steps. Step 1. Install Shizuku app. Open the link given in the description below. Next, click Free Download. Click on Free APK Download. If a pop-up ad appears, just wait and close it. Then, a download pop-up will automatically appear. Tap Download. When a warning appears, tap Download anyway. When the download is complete, open the file. You may need to open the file using Package Installer. Tap Install and wait for the installation to complete. When completed, close everything. Step 2. Install Canta app. Open the link given in the description below. Scroll down until you find the version of the Canta app. Tap Download APK. Tap Download when the pop-up appears. When the download is complete, open the file. You may need to open the file using Package Installer. Tap Install and wait for the installation to complete. When completed, close everything. Step 3. Turn on developer options. Go to your phone settings. Then tap About Phone. Tap multiple times on OS version until you become a developer. Then go back to your settings menu. Step 4. Turn on USB debugging and wireless debugging. Search developer options in your settings menu and open it. Scroll down and find USB debugging. Toggle on USB debugging. When a warning appears, tap OK. Next, turn on USB debugging security settings if your phone has it. Follow all the instructions by clicking Next. Then tap Accept. Next, select Wireless Debugging. Toggle on Wireless Debugging and tap OK when the pop-up appears. When completed, close everything. Step 5. Set up Shizuku and pair device. Open the Shizuku app. Tap Pairing. Tap Notification option. Toggle on Show Notifications to allow all notifications for Shizuku. Once done, go back to the Shizuku app. Scroll down and tap Developer Options. Scroll down to find Wireless Debugging and open it. Select Pair Device with Pairing Code. A pop-up will appear. Remember the pairing code. At the same time, you will receive a notification to enter pairing code. Open the notification. Enter the pairing code that you saw earlier. Tap OK and you will receive a notification saying Pairing Successful. Next, open the Shizuku app again and go back to the main menu. Tap Start and wait for Shizuku to run. Once done, you will see the Shizuku is running. Now go back to your home screen. Step 6. Uninstall system apps using Canta app. Open the Canta app. Now we can start uninstalling system apps or bloatware. Tap the filter icon on the top right corner. Select Only System. Next, tap Any and choose Recommended. This ensures we don't accidentally uninstall important system apps. Now look for the system apps you want to uninstall or simply search their names. Select the apps you want to uninstall by ticking the checkbox. You can select multiple apps at once. Then tap the dustbin icon to uninstall those apps. A pop-up will appear for confirmation. Tap OK. When you are done uninstalling all the apps you want, close all apps. And don't forget to turn off developer options to keep your phone secure. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled bloatware on your Android device without root and without using a PC. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.